Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can set up Shopify international shipping. Now if you are trying to ship internationally, then this video is for you. I'm gonna be showing you guys every single thing you need to know. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings and you need to click on markets. And here what you need, guys, is you need to click on add market in the top right, and here you need to name the market. For example, countries I like to ship to, and then you want to click on add countries and regions, and you need to select the countries that you want to ship to. So I would like to ship to Asia, all the countries in Asia. I would like to ship to Europe, and I would like to ship to North America, which is Canada and Mexico, United States. Now after you select all the countries that you would like to ship to, click on done, click on save in the top right. Now that's the first thing. Okay, now let's start with the second thing that you need to do to set up international shipping on Shopify. Now you want to click again on settings, the very bottom left, click on shipping and delivery, click on create a new profile. As you can see, it says here add customer rights or destination restrictions for groups of products. Click on create a new profile. Here it says name, you want to name this as you want. It doesn't matter, customers won't be able to see this. For example, countries, whatever, it doesn't matter. Here where it says shop location and shop shipping zones, you want to click on create a zone. Now you want to click on countries I like to ship to, and you want to name the zone. For example, Morocco, which is my country. Doesn't matter, customers won't be able to see this. And then you want to click done, and then so this is not enough. If you add international countries, you will have to add rates, the shipping prices. Otherwise, customers in this zone won't be able to complete the checkout. So you need to click on add rate, and you want to add the rate name, which is standard, and the price of the shipping. If you want to offer free shipping, it's up to you. Just need to add 0.00. Click on OK, and then click save in the top right. Now congratulations. Now that's exactly what you need, guys, to set up international shipping on Shopify. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. I'll reply to every single comment. If you need any help, just let me know in the comments. I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. See you guys next video.